going to share one shocking fact that will change how you think about their phone and laptop forever. Let's start. Every 39 seconds, every 39 seconds, cyber attack happen. Every 39 seconds, attack happens somewhere in the world. That means while you are watching this video, multiple companies, hospital, bank, individual are being targeted right now, and most of them do not even know it. That exactly why cybersecurity exists, and this exactly why you need to understand it. Whatever you are, students and IT professional or business owner, cybersecurity to use in the digital world. In simple words, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, network data, and system from digital attack, theft, or damage. Think of this way: your house has a lock on the doors, camera outside, and security guard maybe. All of these protect your physical home from the indoor. Cybersecurity does exactly the same thing, but your digital home. Your digital home include your laptop, your phones, or your emails, your bank account, your company servers, everything that exists online. Cybersecurity is the lock, camera, security guard, all combined from your digital life. Why it matter? Now let me give you some real examples so that we can just not just a theory. In 2022, EMS in 2022 in the EMS Delhi was hit by a ransomware attack. Patient data of more than 40 million people was compromised. Hospital could not access medical record for days. In 2023, Air India suffered data breach affecting 4.5 million passengers. Name, passport number, credit card are stolen. Air India. Okay, these are not a small incident. These are real attack on real Indian organization, and they happened because cybersecurity was not strong enough. Cybersecurity work on three main pillar. Remember this, they called as CIA. CIA. First number is confidentiality. Only the right people should access your data, no one else. Number two, integrity. Your data should not be changed or tampered with by anyone unauthorized. Third, availability. Your system, not data, should always be available when you need them. No downtime, no ransomware attack blocking your access. Every cybersecurity solution in the world, every firewall, every antivirus, every access control system is built around protecting these three pillars. Now, cybersecurity is not just one thing, it has many branches. Let me quickly walk you through the main ones. First, network security. Protecting is the communication channel between the computer. This is the my personal area of expertise and what we teach here at NACSOC. Application security is second point. Application security, making sure your application and software are not vulnerable to attacks. Third, cloud security. Protecting data stored on cloud platform like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Fourth, endpoint security, securing every device, laptop, phones, printers, and that connects to the networks. Identity and access management point, controlling who get access to what and when. This is where network access control or NAC comes in, which exactly where it's specialized in at NACSOC. Now here, that shocking fact I promised you at the beginning. According to IBM 2023 report, the average time hacker inside the company inside the company network before being detected is 197 days. That is more than 6 months. 6 months is silently stealing data, watching your activity, and preparing is massive attack, and the company has no idea. This is exactly why I receive the security is not enough. You need proactive system that detect and stop threat before they are caused damage. Talking about the career goals, and if you are watching this wondering cybersecurity good career choice, the answer is big yes. The India alone need 1 million cybersecurity professionals by 2025, and the demand is only growing. The average salary of cybersecurity engineer in the India range 8 lakh to 30 lakh per annum, depending upon your skill and certification. And the best part, you don't need necessarily need to computer science degree to enter this field. You need the right skill and the right certification. I have a separate video coming on exactly how to build cybersecurity career from scratch. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Good day.